are making ramen. Today we're making ramen with my cook shirt. Today we're making ramen. Today this is a tutorial on how to make ramen. First I need to put on my cook shirt. Just watch me do that. So we're making ramen, as you can see. First thing you need is to just get this pot. Here's the beef ramen, so we might have a video making it for my dad. Maybe. I don't usually make it for my dad. I don't know what happened. Okay, first thing you get the pot. Put it right here. Put your ramen in like that. Okay, last video said my ended too early. Dog. Okay, my dog's gonna be a little vacuum cleaner. Yeah, oh. I usually say I'm a chatterbox. Sometimes I'm a chatterbox. She says yes because I am. Open the ramen. This time I can't get it all over the floor. The last time it did. Second, get the packet out. Put the bag right here. Put the packet right there. Flip the ramen. Put some water in. Put the packet. The second thing, you put the powder in. Chicken ramen. Chicken ramen. You gotta do the same steps for all of them. Powder might look different than the beef one. So I do have the beef one, but I don't like it. My dad likes it. I'm gonna go show you the beef one. There's the fire. And that's a 5-minute timer. Alexa, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. Alexa, thank you.
You bet.
Alexa, tell me a funny joke.
Okay, what does alphabet soup put in their noodles? Raw man. Ha ha. That should get a subscription and a like.
Yeah, not. Stickers are just not being stickered. Okay, the sticker a little bit. Now we gotta wait until it bubbles. You might see me. I might be here for a while. What are you doing? Tia, what are you doing? I'm running from my own time down. So cute. Oh, it's bubbling. Ooh, it's starting to bubble. Starting to bubble. Look at that. Starting to bubble. I probably should flip it. Oh. Flip it. Look at that bubble. It's a lot of bubbles. Ooh.
Okay, what does Alphabet Soup put in their noodles? Raw man. Ha ha. That should get a subscription and a like.